Hey guys, this is gonna be a quick video. I'm working on this John Deere D160. The problem was it wasn't starting, and you'd have to put starting fluid in it. It would just keep cranking and cranking and cranking. I found an issue. I was looking at videos on YouTube, and they said something about the choke lever. So here's the choke lever right here. So I was looking at this down here because they said, like, you gotta adjust the throttle cable and make sure this part here is going up and down. So I did that, and it really wasn't moving. So then I thought, what the heck is going on? So I unhooked it from here, and I'm trying to move it, and I realized, okay, wait a minute, there's two holes in this. Okay, so it's supposed to do this. See how it's moving? Well, somebody had worked on this previously, and they put that rod right there in the wrong hole. They put it in that hole. So if you put it in that hole, the choke is going to be off all the time. It's not going to move. But see, if you put it in the right hole, it works. So if you have one of these mowers and it's not starting, definitely look at this to make sure that the rod is in the right hole. And that is your helpful repair tip for today. Thanks for watching.